How to download your data on Instagram. Now let's say you want to download the data that you have on your Instagram account. All you have to do is to tap on your profile icon on the lower corner. Click on these three lines on the upper corner. After that, you just have to tap on Account Center right here and scroll down and tap on Your Information and Permission right here. Now, while you're here, you'll be able to see the section that says Download Your Information. You just have to click on that and click on Download or Transfer Information right here. Now, you just have to pick your Instagram account and hit Next. Now, you can choose between downloading all available information or some of your information. If you click on some of your information right here, you will be able to choose what kind of information you want to download. Let's say comments right here. Just have to hit on Next and download this to your device. Hit on Next again and create files. As you can see, I have requested to download the data from Instagram. In about an hour or so, the data will be downloadable like this one. So that's how to download your data on Instagram. Hope we helped.